myself 𝐇𝐲𝐩𝐞𝐫 and I'm a IMS Engineering College student.
Hi, my name is 𝐇𝐲𝐩𝐴 and I'm currently pursuing my MBA from Japanese Institute of Management.
I expect to shape my skills pretty much in the practical field, all the theoretical and all the experience to be applicable in the actual corporate world. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
It's so amazing office and the infrastructure is so good. I loved it and the office is so very cool and calm. You can sit over there with the rest of the flexible hour of working.
If I talk about my experience in LambdaTest, it was good. Firstly, we had a group discussion on the topic of social media and it was a very good interaction with all the colleagues, and then I next qualified for the next round, and in that I had a session with director of business development. She has told me about all the work related to business development, that how you have to do the work and how's the work culture around here.
The confidence level, but also the interaction is quite good, and I can learn but just by watching them that that's how you have to behave, that's how you have to interact with people.